Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You came back. In this week's video, feels weird. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You came back. In this week's video, what I have for you is something different. I have a couple of nail videos recorded for you. First of all, let me rewind. Sorry I've been MIA for a little bit. As a lot of you know, I'm a long haul truck driver and we were out on the road for quite some time last time, and I just I don't know, it just fucking needed a minute, you know, when we got home to just breathe and live in the moment. So I actually was having a hard time doing my nails even, but I have gotten my mojo back. I did my nails. I don't want you to see them. I haven't posted them yet. Today in this video, I think what I'm gonna do is just kind of show you like my home nail room. I get questions sometimes about it, and some people have seen it on Facebook when I've done like lives, and I've posted pictures when I first built it. I just wanted to kind of show you guys that and give you a little peek around. I don't know if that interests anybody at all, but if you are interested, I recently just reorganized things, so I figured I would show you, and at the end, if you stay tuned all the way, I'll go over my what was meant to be my 5K giveaway on Instagram, but then, you know, the thing that happened that I didn't, you know, that happened and stuff and things, and so now we're here and I don't know that it's ever gonna get better, so we're just gonna do that. I'm just gonna do a giveaway because I've been needing to for ever, it feels like. So, you know, if you want to hang out and take a little peek around my room, go ahead and stick around and let's get into it. Over here we have my beautiful shelf that my husband built me. It has all the like hangers on the side for my swatch sticks. This used to be home to literally all of my dip powders, but I have outgrown it. So now I just have my smaller businesses on it, like Zebra and Aisle 21 and Miss Raven and Diplomatic and Zia and XOX and so many brands on here. I'll just do a quick little, that Zebra up at the top next to iGel. Do a quick little sweep so you can just kind of see. That's Diplomatic right there. What brands I have? That's Manny Mix over here. That's Manny Mix over there that you can't tell. Manny Mix. We're going Gem, Skyline Soapworks, Nail Addiction. That's Adrada, Panda. Yeah, and then my perfumes. So that's my shelf. Has more little swatch sticks holders over here. Yeah, this is weird. Oh geez, this is gonna be so shitty. I have my extra Sparkle & Co. and my extra Revel because I moved a lot of my Revel into like smaller jars because I had some 1 ounces and they sent like some 2 ounces, and even some of my ½ ounces I just put into minis so I would have more room for everything else. And then I've got my Peppy Gel and my Chiarosky over here, and then my like this and that stuff. My dog is having a really hard time because of the 4th of July. I don't know, are your dogs really like anxious because of fireworks? Because my poor dog is. I gave her some like chill pills, like they're like melatonin or something like that. I don't think it's working. So over here on this side, I have drawers that I have some more dip powders in. I have all of my Revel and Sparkle over here. They are separated by color, and then their swatches. On top I have like my to-go mani kit, and then the bucket is things that still need to be swatched. Oh my god. And then that last bucket is my like art supplies. On top up here I have my other to-go bucket for in the truck. And I have like just extras of things as far as, you know, nail polish remover. I've got some cuticle oils. I've got my lamp that I like to use. And in that little basket behind the cuticle candy, I have my swatch liquids and things like that. Here's how I organize my drawers, the colors that I organize it by, personally myself. I say brown on the bottom, but I really have no brown in there. I put like all of my browns with my nudes. So really it's just like multicolored, what the fuck is that supposed to be, glitters. And this is like my art supply box. I did get a box from Double Dipped. I do plan to do a review on eventually. They sent this cool brush. I thought that was cute. So in these drawers I have like stamping stuff and all of my liquids that I need to do reviews on. My next drawer I have Sharpies, extra Sharpies. I mean, I have this whole thing of Sharpies as well. So many Sharpies. As well as tapes. And in here I have my like decals. My next drawer I have all of my extra stuff, my extra polar blocks, my extra nail files, my extra little baggies. You can get these baggies for so cheap. I love using them to press my glitters down. My extra little containers, my liquid layers, the bottle ones. I don't use the bottle ones until my liquids get really, really empty, and so they live in there. And then all my extra glitters. This is back when I used to buy like samples. I have so many samples in here. And glitters from Southern Glitter, what is it? Southern Glitter Shine, and then Amazon glitters, foils and stuff. In this drawer, I have a lot of my extras too. Like, I don't use tips, but when my friend comes over, she likes to use tips. But I've been doing tea bag tips on her, but I did one time use tips on her. I bought press-on nails once because I was like, oh, I could do a video on press-on nails, but I don't know that anybody cares about press-on nails, let's be honest. It was a thought that I had. Oh, and these are the toothpicks that I use. I thought maybe they would have a label on them, but they don't. That's the size they are. Oops. Then in my last drawer, I have my new problem. This is all of my gel polishes from Sparkle & Co. Bitch, I have a problem. And then these are all more gel polishes. And then just regular polishes. Sparkle & Co. has like the prettiest nail polishes. I split a sub bag with a couple of friends, so they usually let me have the nail polish because they don't use them. So that's that last drawer. So then over here we have my desk, which is where I do my makeup, my hair, my everything. I've got makeup in this cabinet, hair stuff in that cabinet. I've got extra makeup from when I used to do a lot of Ipsy, FabFitFun, and Birchbox and all of that. And yeah, this is kind of just where I like get ready. I do my nails here. I just kind of stick my little stickum thing that's on the mirror right there. Usually stick it to the table and I'll just do my nails like right here. Or as you can see, it's stuck on there for when I am recording. And here we have, so that's my room, you guys. So let's talk about the giveaway, the fun part, right? What I have for the giveaway is a goodie bag from Miss Raven that has 3 colors, a necklace, and a headband in it. And I have cuticle candy, this huge bag of cuticle oil. You will never need cuticle oil again. I have some cream. And what's not shown here is a starter kit from Sparkle & Co. You just have to reach out to them once a winner is announced, and they will send you a starter kit. That way you can pick your own colors. And last but definitely not least, a crisp $100 bill. Okay, how much fun is that? How much dip powder can you buy with $100? A lot. You can buy a significant amount of dip powder for $100. So all you have to do to participate in the giveaway is be subscribed to me here, like this video, comment on this video with your Instagram name, then go over to Instagram. I will make a post today. I'll be making a post really soon on Instagram. Leave a comment on Instagram on the giveaway post, and that's it, you guys. Just comment here, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you're following me on Instagram, comment your Instagram handle here, go over to Instagram, comment your YouTube handle there, make sure that if you're subscribed to me here on YouTube, that you have your subscriptions public so that I can see just for the time of the giveaway, and then you can make it private again. But I need to be able to verify that you are following me or subscribed to me here and following me there, so everything has to be public so I can see that. But that is it, you guys. Just follow the very confusing rules. I will leave it down in the description. I'm sorry, you know what? It is like 10 o'clock at night here, and I'm trying desperately to get this out and ready and all of that for y'all. And it was my daughter's birthday today, and my dog is having anxiety because of fireworks, and I think that's all I have for you guys right now. I did record a couple of nail videos today. Then a drink. That's all I have for you guys right now. I did record a couple of nail videos for you that I will have up very soon. Thank you so much for being patient with me while I figure out my shit and just be present in my life. I will be back with my regularly scheduled nail dip videos here very shortly. I have some really cool shit coming up. I have so many liquids. I don't know if you guys are in my Facebook group, but if you are in my Facebook group, I did do a live really recently where I went over all of the new stuff that I got and all the new liquids that I got that I will be doing first impression and reviews of very soon. So if you're interested in seeing what brands those happen to be, go ahead and follow me over on Facebook. I will leave my link to my group below. Go follow me on Instagram if you want to participate in the giveaway, and also because I'm really fucking cool and you want to spend out more time with me and like see my nails and shit. Yeah, so that's it. That's all I got for you this week, you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. I don't know when. I might post video like sooner than Friday. I don't fucking know, you guys. Stop pressuring me, okay?